Mark IV and the Mark VII have three types of keys. The biggest one is the main key. This key is used to open the driver and the passenger doors and to start the engine. This is also used to open the lid of the gas tank. The gold key can open the entrance. You can open and close the door from inside the room. Be sure to lock the doors when driving or when you leave your vehicle to prevent accidents and theft. The silver key can open the other parts. The luggage bin is under the rear bed. Turn the key while pressing here to open it, like this. Remove the mat when you bring a large load. The gas tank is on the right side. The silver key can open this place. Lock the door with the stopper. Then move the gas tank lid off. Insert the main key and turn the lid towards open. Fill up the gas tank when you return an RV. When refueling, if you insert the gas nozzle to the back, you cannot refuel until the tank is full. Pull back to the front of the gas tank to refuel. Make sure the lid is closed.